Wenzhou Urban Machinery Company Limited is a professional exporter engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service, specially for pharmaceutical packaging industries such as blister packing machines, box packing machines, capsule filling machines, plastic ampoule filling and sealing machines, capsule tablet counting machines. We are located in Wenzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our cooperation factory has introduced a series of advanced equipment. In addition, as a scientific and technological enterprise integrated with researching, we have passed ISO 9001 and CE certificates in 2011 year. We're a team of professionals with great enthusiasm of our company. Each member of our team integrates more than 10 years of personal experience. According to each customer different request, we provide individuation and specialization machine solution. Make sure you spend less money to get quality and suitable machine. So far, our international department has owned thousands of end users in more than 20 countries and regions all around the world as the highest quality and best service. We also won the trust of the world's top 500 companies. We are currently a market leader, and we invite you to work with us so that we can be instrumental in your company's success. What is our goal? We strive to create excellent technology to create miracle in the world. Let's proud of China technology and development. Our company, Urban Machinery.